Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive wooden furniture designs and ideas. Most useful wooden projects you can see in this my video. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden furniture designs. Stylish, useful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those who love such type of woodworking ideas, palette projects of wood, make money with woodworking ideas, easy to make, beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, stylish wooden furniture designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see. Every types of woodworking designs, stylish furniture designs you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about furniture, about wood. Homemade ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful woodworking ideas if you know woodworking. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video?